So the disk method, section 7.2, this is number, let's see, let me pick a homework problem. So let's do number 21. So in problem 21, it says find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region bounded by the graphs of the equations about the line x equal 5. So this is the line x equal 5, and we're looking at the curves x equal y squared and x equal 4. So x equal y squared, which is the same as y equals the square root of x, that curve looks like that. But actually plus or minus, and it continues. And here is the line, this is the line x equal 4, this is the line x equal 5. So the region we're looking at, bounded by the vertical line x equal 4, and this parabola x equal y squared, so this is the region we're looking at. And we're rotating it around this vertical line. So we get a solid of revolution. That looks like that. And so this is the axis of rotation. And what is the volume? So we can do this. So we're supposed to do this by the disk method. So this axis of rotation is perpendicular to the x-axis. And so we want to look at sections. This is the volume. It's going to be pi, an integral with respect to y from -2 to +2. And this is the disk method or the washer method. So for any given value of y, from here to here is 4 squared. From, sorry, that's not right. The distance to the y-axis from here to here is what? So for any given y, this is x squared. So this distance is 5 minus y squared. So from here, y squared to 5, that's 5 minus y squared squared. And this distance is 1, minus 1 squared. So this is pi, the integral from -2 to 2, 25, when you square it, you get minus 10 y squared plus y to the 4th minus 1 makes that a 24 dy. So in these problems, the hard thing is setting it up. So if we have this parabola x equals y squared, again, if you look at this, you see it's not y equal x squared. Y is not a function of x is a function of y. And the parabola as a function of y looks like that. And it's cut by the vertical line x equal 4 into this red piece. This is the point When x is 4, y is 2. At this point, when x is 4, y is minus 2. Y is going from minus 2 to 2. This is the axis. This is your slice through this body. You get a washer. The outer radius is the distance from y squared to 5, 5 minus y squared. The inner radius is 1. So this is what we get, and you integrate it, and you get this solution.
Professor, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's regarding the lessons. So in the syllabus, it says that lesson 9, exam 1 on, and it said extracurricular related.
The syllabus, as I explained many times, this is the syllabus for the semester, the regular semesters during the academic year. In the summer, we cover the same material, but we don't have 2 exams and a final. We have 1 exam in the middle, and the middle is exactly where we are right now.
Sure.
So the exam, the midterm exam for the summer session is going up to section 13.
Okay.
And
I see.
The final
but the thing is, so we don't have.
I'm sorry. Yes.
So we don't have any extra credit.
What?
So we don't have any extra credit then.
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Other questions? Okay, so again, let me remind you, there are instructions on Blackboard, and there are instructions that I also emailed out. At 3 o'clock, I'll post the exam on Blackboard. I'll also send it out by an email. You write out the solutions, scan them, and then upload the PDF file to the assignment section of Blackboard, just as if it were you're uploading a homework set. And the exam normally would be 1 period if this were the regular year. It would take 1 hour and 40 minutes. But because of all the technology involved, I'm giving you a 3-hour period of time. But after 6 o'clock, you won't be able to turn in the exam. So make sure you get it in by 6.
All right, Professor. So can you tell us how many questions it is?
10 questions.
10 questions?
Yep.
Okay. It's gonna be based on the review sheet that you posted, right?
No, it's based on the syllabus. That is,
okay.
The exam covers everything you're supposed to know, which is everything on the syllabus, up to and including partial fractions.
So from chapter 1 to 13 or 1 to 8?
Excuse me?
Chapter 1 to 13, right?
No, chapters, in lessons 1 to 13, yes. But in chapters 5, 7, and 8.
5, 7, and 8. Okay, copy. Thank you.
Yep. Okay. That is it. I will see you again, I hope, on Monday. I had not started to record at the beginning of the session, so just for the record, I'm going to show all the slides. So it's page 1. Page 2. Page 3. Page 4. Page 5. Page 6. And page 7.